Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a logo in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Canva app. And here in the Canva app it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. But from here in the bottom bar, we see a plus icon. If we tap on this, we get a list of different kinds of things that we can create, different kinds of formats. And here in the list we find the logo option. If we tap on this, then the app is going to load and open up the format that we can use for creating a logo. You can use to create a logo. Here we have some templates, some styles that we can apply, and after we have done these things, after we created our logo, we are done, and we can press on either export or download. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.